Understanding societal divides. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a significant yet complex topic: societal divides. This phrase is more than just words. It represents real issues affecting people and communities worldwide. So let's dive in and understand what it truly means and how it impacts us all. Societal divides refer to the clear distinctions and separations within a society. These divides can be based on various factors such as economic status, race, education, or cultural beliefs. They often lead to groups of people within the same society experiencing vastly different lifestyles, opportunities, and challenges. There are several types of societal divides, and understanding them helps us grasp the complexity of the issue. Here are a few. 1. Economic divides. This is about the gap between the rich and the poor. It's not just about wealth, but also about access to opportunities like education, healthcare, and employment. 2. Racial and ethnic divides. These divides stem from historical and ongoing discrimination and prejudice against certain races or ethnic groups, leading to disparities in treatment and opportunities. 3. Educational divides. This type of divide highlights the gap in quality and accessibility of education among different social groups. 4. Cultural divides. Differences in cultural values, beliefs, and practices can also create divides, often leading to misunderstandings or conflicts between groups. Societal divides can have profound effects on individuals and communities. Mental and physical health. Living in a divided society can lead to stress, anxiety, and other health issues. Social tensions. Divides can foster an environment of mistrust and conflict, hampering community harmony and cooperation. Economic consequences. Societal divides often lead to unequal distribution of resources, affecting the overall economic growth and stability of a society. Addressing societal divides isn't easy, but it's crucial for the well-being and progress of society. Here are some steps that can be taken. 1. Promoting education and awareness. Understanding the root causes and effects of societal divides is the first step towards addressing them. 2. Encouraging dialogue and empathy. Open conversations and efforts to understand different perspectives can bridge gaps. 3. Implementing fair policies. Governments and institutions should strive to create policies that address the inequalities and promote a more inclusive society. Societal divides are a complex and sensitive topic, touching the lives of many. By understanding, discussing, and taking steps to bridge these divides, we can hope to build a more inclusive and harmonious society. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this discussion has been enlightening and thought-provoking. Let's continue to learn, share, and grow together.